10 says the table below shows the cost of a ski rental package for a given number of people. Based on the information in the table, what is the slope with units in this situation? So our slope represents what? The ratio of generally, not in this specific situation, but in general. Slope represents the ratio of what to what? Rise over run, okay. And rise is the same thing as the change in what? Y. So the change in Y over the change in X. So what's the Y and what's the X in this situation? What's the independent variable? The number of people going, right? Because the cost will depend on the number of people. Therefore, Y is what? The cost. Okay, and that's measured in dollars. So we have X equals the number of people, Y equals the cost in dollars. So our change in Y is going to be the cost. And our change in X is going to be people. So if this was a unit ratio, or a unit rate, this would be cost per one person. So dollars per person is the units they give in each of these scenarios. So we want to measure the change in cost and put that over the change in the number of people. So what is the change in cost? How did I get from 160 to 440? Up how much? 280. 160 plus 280 is 440, like it's supposed to be. Or we can say 440 minus 160. 0 minus 0. Can I take 6 from 4? No, got to borrow from this 4. That becomes a 3. 14 minus 6 is 8. 3 minus 1 is 2. So there's our 280. And what's the change in X? Plus 3. So the ratio of the change in Y to the change in X is going to be 280 over 3. Is this a change of 280 as well? What is that a change of? 160. What's this a change of?
120.
What's this a change of?
4.
What's this a change of?
Plus 3.
Doesn't appear to be constant, does it?
No.
Interesting. What if we just take the cost and divide by the people? What is 160 divided by 8? What is 440 divided by 11? 40? What is 600 divided by 15? And what is 720 divided by 18? Okay, so what is the cost per person? $40 per person. So our answer is B.